Hello, and welcome to Codely Studio Tutorials. In this tutorial, you'll learn how to create relations and aliases between data classes. Click on Model to start. Let's create a new data class and name it Patient. We'll also add attributes with their type. For this example, I am adding the attributes first name, last name, and photo. Now, let's create another data class. My data class will be named Appointment. In this new data class, I will add an attribute named Date. It is now time to create a relation between the two data classes. Let's begin with the Appointment data class. I add an attribute and choose a type from the drop-down menu. Here, I see my Patient data class listed. I select it. Return to the Patient data class and take a look at the Properties panel. The panel shows the class name and the selection name of the selected Patient data class. Within the Patient data class, we will also notice an Appointment Selection attribute has been automatically created in the Patient data class. This matches the selection name of the Appointment data class. Let's return to the Patient data class. Here, you can see I've renamed the Appointment Selection. Let's create a third data class, name it Doctor, and repeat the process of adding attributes. Now we can create a relation between the two data classes, Appointment and Doctor. First, we navigate to the Appointment data class and add an attribute named Doctor. When we select the attribute type, we can see the Doctor data class in the drop-down menu. Notice the changes that have occurred in the Doctor data class. An Appointment Selection attribute has been generated. Its type is Appointment Selection. This matches the attribute type in the Patient data class. I rename this attribute to match the attribute in the Patient data class. I can now return to the Patient data class. Here, I create an attribute named Doctors, which will act as an alias. Then, I customize the attribute type to indicate the path of the alias. This attribute, Doctors, will now provide all the doctors visited by the patient. Don't forget to save your work and to load the data model created. View our resources to discover more about aliases and documentation and more on the data model. Thank you for watching.